Hello, welcome. I'm Jibrael, and today we will be doing Lab 7. So, we continue from the previous book which we had created, and I'm going to add a plus, add a new sheet. I'm going to call it rename Lab 7. So, in this, we'll quickly make a report. Today, we'll be idly studying how sorting takes place in Tableau. So let us look at the different fields which we have. We have location, which has region. We have product, which has category and subcategory. So let us take category to the rows, subcategory to the rows, and maybe let's take sum of sales to the column. So we have got a bar graph, and maybe we would like to see the bar graph in color wherever profit is there. So I could take profit and drop it on top of color, and we have got a colored graph coming here. So let us explore a few things we can do with sorting. Now this is coming within the category in the normal data order. I could click here and make it descending. Now all the sales is coming in descending. I could click again and make it ascending, or go back to this initial order. So one way of sorting would be to sort on the sales value. The other way of sorting is to sort on the subcategory. I could go here and I say make it descending. Okay. So you will notice T comes first, then F, then C, then B. So it's in descending order. I could have made it ascending. So I would like you to explore this. Don't just look at it. Do try out all these options so you have a feel of what happens when things get changed. Now there are different ways of doing sorting. We could also do some other options, and let us look at the options which we have. We have data source order. We could do it alphabetic. We could do it based on a field. We could do it manually. So let's try manual. In manual, suppose you felt no, your chairs is your top commodity and you want chairs to come first. You just pull it up. Similarly, you feel tables is your second highest priority. So you put tables second because that's one you sell most, let's say. And now when I click close this, you will notice that chairs and tables are coming right at the top. So we could make a manual way of sorting. One more interesting way of sorting is that we could do sorting based on a field. Now let's see what that means. I may say field ascending, and I can say sort it by something else. Let's say sorted by profit. And for the profit, I want you to sum it up for each of these groupings which are there. And for them, I want the sorting to happen. So if you notice, the colored orange one is highest, then the light color, then bluish. So the sorting is not based on the field which is on display, neither category or subcategory or sales. The sorting has happened on another field called profit. Okay. Now if you feel you can't see it, one way would be to drag in profit just to see how it looks. So straight away you can see that the profit is negative, positive. It can be seen, and you can see it is in that order only what we just now said. So I'll take out profit. Okay, let's just make it back on sales just to see what happens. And the field I select this time is sales now. So obviously it should go back to, okay. So now you will see it is sorted by the sales value. The bigger the bar, that is the one which is coming. So let us now remove profit out from here. But on the same hand, let us sort it by profit like we did earlier. So we select the field, we'll go make it back to profit, even though it's not visible directly, but by the ordering of it, we know profit wise which one is giving more profit or less profit. Okay. So we tried different kind of sorts. What all did we try? We tried the normal method, alphabetic, field, manual. So nested sorts are when there is one category within subcategory. It's a nested sort, right? One within the other. like you have nested for loops, one for loop within another for loop. Okay, so now let's try one more thing. When I hover on top of any of these bars, you can notice that I can see this box of information which has category, subcategory, profit and sales. Maybe you want one more information to come when that thing happens. And you may say, okay, let us put discount also in that box. The way to do that is to put it into the tooltip, this box here. And now when I go here and hover, you will notice that discount is also coming in my list of items displayed. Okay. While we are at it, let's try one more thing. This sum of profit, if you noticed, was coming based on color. I could have done it based on size also. So let's just try that. And the color is gone, but you can see the thinner and the thicker ones, which indicate how much profit was there for each of these sales. So though the sales are high, how much profit are we getting in it? So let me go back and put it back on color. So we can use different ways of seeing the same report. So with that, we come to the end of lab 7. So thank you.